Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Heart of a Teacher 242 and I am so happy you have joined me today. If you love videos all about tips and tricks and tutorials related to teaching, then keep watching. I am a second grade teacher that I've been teaching for 13 years here in the Bahamas and I love it. So we are going to be looking at how to spice up your Teachers Pay Teachers products if you are interested in doing Teachers Pay Teachers. One of the things I like to keep in mind when I am designing my covers in general is color. And when I say color, I mean color contrast, how the colors work together. So for me, first of all, I need my background to basically be the same. So basically all of my products have this like stripe background going on. For some of them, it's a little downplayed because I didn't want it to be too much color, and so I would put a kind of transparent white on top of the stripes to tone it down a bit. But I wanted to make sure that all of the covers basically look the same to give the store a unified look. And so here I have my black background at the top with my contrasting white to let it pop. And the journal word has a range of colors. And what I did is I layered the word so that it could give that black effect on the top. And then here is where I paid attention to font. I made the word writing a different font, like kind of curvy type style, just to break it up a bit from the chunky writing. And at the bottom here where it says student writing pages, I put a glow on that. And so basically it's for me, when I design a cover, I like to, one, make sure that my background has the same background for all of my covers with the striped action going on. And then at the top, I usually stick with my black background with a little pink poking out and the white writing. And then just playing with it, playing with font styles. You do not want to have a cover product where all of the font is the same. It's not going to pop, in my opinion. And then you don't want to just have just one color. So using color wisely, using the font wisely is a good idea. So this is my journal writing prompts, 20 journal writing prompts, social emotional learning, student writing pages, which means that the students, you can print this off and the students can write their responses in the box. Okay, so here we have day 2. What part of your body do you like the most? Day 4, what makes you feel like you can do anything? Day 5, what is something you like to do to cheer yourself up? So even I was thinking about these prompts and I said to myself, boy, I can even write about these things myself in my own journal because they are so thought-provoking and it makes you dive deep inside yourself with your emotions and so on. So this is on my Teachers Pay Teachers store. So I hope that was helpful. I wanted to go and look at just one last resource. So maybe I'll go here with the coloring pages for back to school. Here you see that black background with the white writing to make it pop. And then the pictures I selected, I kind of like twisted it to the side to just give it a different variety, a different style. And so these are some of the things to keep in mind. How you place your pictures on your cover. Like I said, the fonts that you are using, the colors you are using. And here are just some examples. I have here, write or draw your favorite thing about school. And by the way, these clip art were done by my husband. Cool clips. I just had my mind just went blank, y'all. Because we have 2 different names, but He basically is Cunningham's Artistry Official on Instagram, and so you can always hit him up for clip art. So I had him make the clip art black and white so that it could be like coloring pages, and we're coming up with more coloring pages, by the way. This says, make 5 new words using the words back to school. And of course, I did this ahead of time because I was like, boy, I don't want the people to be like, I can't make 5 words. What is this woman talking about? So I made sure, make my 5 words to make sure that everyone else could be able to make 5 words. There you see, color the picture below. So this is how I design my TpT covers. These are the things I keep in mind when I am making my products. Now, I did tell you that I like to keep things basically uniform so that, you know, everything flows, everything goes together. It doesn't look all too matchy. So here's an example of the products in my store. This is the Google Slides drag and drop statements and questions game. Here you see that same pink and black and white theme going on. Okay. And make sure when you do it, you have your previews for people to see. That's very important. Okay, so that's the drag and drop game. And then I have, this is the teaching slides. I made the slides into a PDF so that you can just show your students. You could project it or share your screen. Now that white is not what you would see on your screen, but that's just because it's more space. But these are teaching content slides that I made into PDFs so that you can share your screen with your students. So notice I have that striped background going on. I have my picture twisted to the side. I have the contrasting white, same thing that I was talking about on my product. So I hope this was helpful to you all. I hope for those who are thinking about getting into Teachers Pay Teachers and you're like, okay, how do I begin and so on? Well, this is going to help you remember to kind of come up with some type of background that you can consistently put there on your cover page so that everything looks uniformed for persons to say, oh, what a pretty store. And along with it being pretty, you know, you want to offer quality products. I believe in offering quality products. Side note, I made up a product and I wanted to upload it so badly and I found a mistake on it and I said, I want to upload this so badly, but it has a mistake and I will not upload this with the mistake. And so I really believe in making quality products for persons. Like, it has to be something I would want to use and it has to look with sense. Otherwise, I don't really believe in uploading it. Okay, so thank you for staying to the very end of this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Remember to spread love and not hate. Bye!